Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, sync, high beam assist, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, rear bench seat, rear head airbag, split bench seat, cloth seats, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.